Now see, next topic is syntax directed translation scheme for postfix notation. Semantic action in the translation scheme have a particularly simple form, okay? And the translation of non-terminal on the left of each production, okay, is the concatenation of the translation of the non-terminal on the right in the same order as in the production, followed by some additional string, okay. See, first of all we will see what is a postfix notation. Suppose this expression is given a plus b. What is a postfix notation for a plus b? That is ab plus. This is the postfix expression for this a plus b, this infix expression. Now the second one is a into b plus c. What is the postfix notation for this expression? A bc plus multiplication sign. This is the postfix notation for this expression. Now third one is a plus b into c. What is the postfix notation for this expression? That is ab plus c multiplication sign. This is the postfix notation for this infix expression. Now fourth one is a plus b into c plus d. What is the postfix expression for this infix expression? That is ab plus cd plus multiplication. This is the postfix expression for this infix expression, okay. Now there are three production in a postfix notation. First production is A gives E1, OP means operator, E2. E gives E1, OP, E2. E gives parenthesis E1. E gives ID. There are three production in case of postfix notation. Means this is a grammar having three productions, okay, for postfix notation, okay. If there is a question that write a syntax directed translation scheme for postfix notation, then there are three production in case of postfix notation. Remember these three productions, because without these three production we cannot write semantic action, so remember it, okay. E gives E1, OP, E2. What is the semantic action? E dot code equal to E1 dot code, E2 dot code and OP. Why I am writing E1 dot code concatenate, E2 dot code concatenate OP? There is a rule to writing the semantic action for the first production. What is the rule? See, the rule number 1, the value of the translation E dot code for the first production is the concatenation of the two translation E1 dot code and E2 dot code and symbol OP, okay. That is why I am writing E1 dot code concatenate E2 dot code concatenate OP. OP means operator, okay. Now what is the semantic meaning, semantic action or semantic rule for the second production? E gives E1. See, what is the rule for second production? Translation of the parenthesized expression is the same as that for the unparenthesized expression, okay. So E dot code equal to E1 dot code, write as it is. This is the semantic meaning for the second production. Now E gives ID. What is the semantic meaning of this production? See, rule number 3, translation of any identifier is identifier itself, okay. So write here E dot code equal to ID as it is. This is the semantic meaning for this production, okay. Production means grammar along with semantic action is called syntax directed translation scheme for postfix notation. This is all about the postfix notation of syntax directed translation scheme for postfix notation, okay. Thank you.